one is unboxing, but this one, you already seen it. No, you haven't actually. But let's get everything started. Because my favorite football team plays this year, the Tennessee Volunteers. They play today, New Year's Day, and also Happy New Year, Tom. So this one right here is a Tennessee Volunteers Santa Claus inflatable. That's 7 foot tall, and I got it for Christmas last year. It's a big inflatable. Yeah. It has a regular cheap fan and all of that. This one's not new. The other one in the box. We haven't took that out since November. But you can see Tennessee Santa's get some progress on it. This thing takes it's from this brand called Logo. It's called Logo Brands. This thing is massive. And then I need to find the placements and everything and put it in the yard. It's all worn out. Okay. Can y'all see that over there? I'm gonna take y'all over there really quick to show you the back and stuff. He has a sack that has their logo on it. The fan's on the leg. Wait, is the fan visible? Watch as I stake him down. Can you see that? I hope you can. you guys since last year. It's 2024 now. Well, all the bottom stakes are put in, but I'm not even planning to put the side stakes down. I've visited that only for like one day. We're gonna have this thing up for one day. What's the point of putting side stakes in? Let's get to the second inflatable.
Yeah.
Well, let's see if you can see that. Let's get the helmet out.
Again?
We don't stake this boy down. We don't stake him, even though he has tethers and stuff. This is from a brand named Colligate. I don't know how to pronounce it. I pronounce it Colligate. It is one of these big cones. And that's gonna take a while. But I'm not like those other YouTubers who could just super sim the inflation of inflatables and stuff, so you're gonna have to watch that full inflation right now. They both take a while to inflate. It has a fan on the side right here because it's supposed to be tilted at an angle. So you can see the giant teeth. I heard there's one for Halloween. I need to get that one. I think it's a Frankenstein with a helmet. Or a pumpkin wearing a helmet. I don't remember what it was, but I saw it scrolling on YouTube at the top of the screen. It showed me a picture of it. I haven't made any YouTube shorts yet because I'm still learning how to make action videos too. It has 30 LEDs in it. The whole helmet, like the top part is on. Now we just need to wait for this part. Inflate! Inflate, y'all! Inflate! Yeah, I'm freaking out. This doesn't really inflate. But, how does that look? Let me know what you think in the comments, guys, about these two. I'll give you one quick glance of our bowl game display. Yeah, we're playing a bowl game today. Right here's the Tennessee Santa. I only staked down his feet. Right there's this fan of zippers going up like that. And right here is the Tennessee football helmet on the side. And on the back it has 3 LEDs and 1, 2.